Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun!
On May 13th, 2025, U.S. Border Patrol agents in Brownsville, Texas, encountered a suspect acting erratically and resisting verbal commands. Within seconds, the situation escalated into a physical confrontation, requiring immediate use of force.
Let me see your fucking hands! Put your fucking hands out, I'll shoot you! Put your fucking hands up! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Let me see your hands! Drop the gun! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! Crawl! Crawl! Stand back! Stand back! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! His gun is on the other side. Crossfire! Get the gun, he's right behind him. He's been shot. I need to get him. Hey! What do you say about 20K? Took off on foot. He's coming towards us, he said. Hey, he's been shot. I got.
Hey, put him down.
Hey, put him down here. Fuck. Hey, dude, I took.
You took shots.
I took shots. All right.
You okay?
All right, I'm good. I'm good. I got my suit. I got him right.
Okay. You're good. Hey, you stay with us.
All right.
We'll maintain it, okay?
Hey.
Stand by.
Hello?
We have a laser here.
Dude.
Have no idea.
No, so, shots fired, so. I shot the guy, so he's hit.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, I'm good.
I was right behind you, bro.
Okay, yeah. So, I'm good. All right, anyways, we'll be here. So, at my location, that's where I'm at. Yeah, we shot him. And he's still alive. I did, me. And two other.
Okay.
Yeah, me and two other, and the DPS. Just to let you know. Yeah. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah. All right, cool. All right, bye. Hey, he jumped the fence from over there this way.
Yes, we're good. Hey.
Oh, he empty. We need to take his handcuffs off. We need to put an occlusive on him. Yeah, he's fine. I think he went through.
Just put him on the recovery position. Bring him up.
Here on the arm, and then on his.
Yeah. He went right through. All right, turn him over, brother. Turn over, put him in the recovery position. I know, brother. Sorry, come here. Oh, that's good. I know, brother. Just stand by.
Yeah.
Just,
I love
nah.
it.
soldiers.
Let's understand. Hey, it's
I
okay.
respect soldiers here.
Bro, we told you to drop the gun, brother.
I want to be a soldier, but don't give me a chance to be a
All
soldier.
right, that's fine. No, don't touch. Relax.
I'm sorry. You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm sorry, sir. But I just want to let you know, like.
Yeah, I guess for now. I mean, it's in the hip. We're good.
Well,
We don't want to pack, but yeah, go ahead and put it.
fuck it. No, like we're in the thoracic box. Put a seal
We're
on
good.
it.
Let's put a seal.
Just in case. Put
I
a
know,
seal.
brother.
We can't pack this. We can't.
No, we're gonna pack it. I was gonna cover it.
Yep.
If anything, that's it. Only pack the chest cavity. I mean, not the chest cavity.
Nope. Yeah. So
Good.
seal it. You'll
Put
be
it right in
good.
the center. Yeah, I'll wipe for that. All right, brother.
Yep. Let's go ahead and get this one.
I got another one.
Breathe.
Yeah, we're all right.
Sir. So check down here. Sir.
No, not yet. Take him out and cover him.
Yep.
There's no.
Sir.
All right, brother.
Squeeze it out.
That's all right. He's breathing, so we're good. Yeah.
Yep. Sir.
Nothing.
What else do you need? Any more patches?
Nah, we're good. It's just single through.
Lower left quadrant is sealed. Secondary blood sweeps, and then he needs to go.
He's good, brother. All right, well, stand by. How far's the ambulance?
Okay, sir.
All right, bro. You'll be good. What's your name?
Sir.
Okay. Yeah, right there. Grab one. You're not touch on the arm. Just wrap it.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me cut it. Wrap it. So yeah, just breathe normal, all right? Breathe normal, dude.
I want to be a soldier.
Yeah, just use
It's all right, brother. Just wrap it. We're
It
good.
doesn't stretch, so if he starts to swell, just use a pressure dressing it.
Hey,
Not too bad, just cover it up.
hey, let him know. Hey, where he jumped. I don't know if there's another guy back there. So I saw him
They're
run,
going inside right now. They're checking it
but
out.
he jumped from across the alley this way. So I don't know if there's more on that side.
You have one.
You have another one over here, boss? That's right there. Okay. You're gonna go. The ambulance coming right now.
That's it, sir.
I know. We're gonna try to get you out there, bro.
Sir, I'm not going to be a bad person to the bad. I know.
Bro. I know.
Sir.
It's all good. It's all good, brother. You have any other pains?
Sir.
You know what day today is? What day today?
You just witnessed the intense reality of law enforcement on the border. What do you think? Was the use of force justified in this case? Let us know in the comments below.